Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Hockey Sauce Kit is probably one of the most versatile and entertaining pieces of hockey training equipment you can get your hands on, allowing players of all ages and skill levels to practice their puck handling, passing, and shooting skills in a fun and engaging way, simulating the real game experience right in your backyard or driveway, making it an essential tool for any aspiring hockey player looking to elevate their game. Number 5. YuanDian Light Up Hockey Water Bottle. Introducing a unique water bottle designed for young hockey fans. It's more than just a bottle, it's a cool gadget combining hydration with a fun light feature. This innovative bottle features a captivating 3D hockey design that glows. It's a fantastic way to add some excitement to their day and a great gift for any young player. But that's not all. The light-up portion detaches and doubles as a mesmerizing night light. It's perfect for creating a soothing atmosphere as they drift off to sleep. Choose from a spectrum of 8 vibrant color modes, including a captivating color-changing option. You can always find the perfect hue to match their mood or room. Crafted from BPA-free Tritan material, it ensures healthy hydration for school, travel, or any activity. Plus, the auto shut-off timer helps conserve battery life for long-lasting enjoyment. When you purchase this item, you'll receive the water bottle, the LED base, and a manual. We also include a 12-month warranty and friendly customer support for your peace of mind. What we like. This water bottle is a unique blend of hydration and fun. It doubles as a night light with colorful LED options. If you're looking for a gift that's both practical and imaginative for a young hockey fan, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The kit is great for practicing stick handling and puck control. It comes with everything you need to set up a mini rink for sauce. The pucks are a good weight and slide well on most surfaces. Number 4. Franklin Sports NHL Kids Mini Hockey Goal Set. Transform any room into a mini hockey arena with this NHL licensed set. It's designed for indoor play, keeping kids engaged and active without running through the house. Setting up is a breeze thanks to the Instaset joints that lock in seconds. Even small hands can assemble it quickly, and the durable construction is built to last. This beginner set includes everything for an exciting game. You get 2 goal nets, 4 player sticks, 2 goalie sticks, and 4 foam balls to get the fun started. Pack it up and go. This set comes with a carrying bag, making it perfect for travel. Take it to friends' houses, hotel rooms, or enjoy it on rainy days. Since 1946, we've been dedicated to making sports inspiring, fun, and accessible. We bring innovation and quality to all our sporting goods. What we like. This set is perfect for bringing the hockey action indoors. It's designed for safe play on knees, making it ideal for younger children or smaller spaces. If you want a fun way to keep kids active inside without the risk of them running wild, this is the set for you. What people say. The kit is great for practicing puck handling and stick handling drills. It includes everything you need to set up a mini hockey rink in your driveway or backyard. The sauce kit is durable and has held up well to repeated use. Number 3. Absolute Filth Premium Hockey Stick Wax. Introducing Absolute Filth Hockey Wax, designed to give you the ultimate grip and protection for your hockey stick. Elevate your game with our premium formula. Our unique blend of 5 carefully selected waxes creates an elite formula. Made with all natural ingredients, it's good for you and the environment. Achieve total puck control and take your game to the next level. Its tacky feel will help you score with pinpoint precision. Leveraging 25 years of experience, our wax actively repels water. This prolongs the life of your tape, allowing you to focus on scoring. Applying it is a breeze, just a few passes load and protect your tape. It melts into your tape easily, even in the coldest rinks. Enjoy a pleasant, not overpowering, strawberry scent during application. It comes in a durable, rust-proof tin perfect for your hockey bag. What we like. Achieve superior puck control and protect your stick tape with this premium wax. Its unique formula is designed to repel water, extending the life of your tape. If you're a player who demands the best grip and wants to reduce the frequency of retaping, this is the wax to elevate your game. What people say. The kit is a great way to practice your sauce skills and improve your puck handling. The sauce kit is very durable and has held up well to repeated use. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a net and pucks. Number 2. Eat Sleep Hockey Repeat Christmas T-shirt. Celebrate the holidays with the ultimate tee for any hockey lover. It's perfect for those who live and breathe the game all year round. Looking for a unique Christmas gift? This shirt captures the spirit of dedication and passion for hockey. It's a must-have for teens and adults alike. This design embodies the true hockey lifestyle. Wear it proudly and show your unwavering commitment to the sport you love. Get into the holiday spirit with this festive and fun t-shirt. It's designed for comfort and style, making it ideal for any casual occasion. This comfortable and durable t-shirt is suitable for everyone. It's the perfect way to combine your love for hockey and the Christmas season. What we like. Show off your passion for the game with this comfortable and stylish t-shirt. It's perfect for casual wear or after a game. If you love hockey and want a simple way to express it, this shirt is a great addition to your wardrobe. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started, with a good variety of pucks and accessories. The pucks are durable and slide smoothly on most surfaces, making practice sessions effective. The carrying bag is convenient for storage and transport, keeping all the components organized. Number 1. Sauce Toss Supreme Hockey Sauce Pass Game. Introducing Sauce Toss, the premium hockey sauce pass game that elevates your play, passing, training, and trick shots. It's tailgater-friendly and portable for fun anywhere. This game reinvents familiar favorites by adding a unique hockey twist. With 1-point and 3-point nets, it brings added fun and competition for all skill levels. Designed for durability and easy transport, this kit includes everything you need except the sticks. You get soft, tailgate-safe pucks, boards, nets, and a carrying strap. It's not just a fun game, but also a fantastic tool for training and practice. Use it in your backyard, at the beach, tailgates, or even indoors. Invented by college hockey players, it's a great way to practice your hockey skills when you're off the ice. Avoid getting rusty during the off-season with this engaging game. Experience an authentic feel like no other game, thanks to its quality netting and heavy-duty steel goal posts. Get ready for a realistic hockey experience. What we like. This game offers a fun twist on classic tossing games, incorporating hockey skills. It's designed for easy transport and setup, making it perfect for any outdoor gathering. If you're looking for an engaging game that can be played anywhere and helps hone your hockey passing and shooting, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The kit includes 2 pucks and 2 nets, making it a complete package for practice. The pucks are designed to slide smoothly on most surfaces, simulating real ice. The nets are durable and easy to set up, allowing for quick practice sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.